Everbond is a Western Australian manufacturing company that specialises in toll blending for customers that need powder blending of any kind. We assure formulas are kept confidential and even accommodate for black box blending. The products manufactured at Everbond can be branded with our customer's company name. Our team of experienced staff includes a certified chemist and quality control officers who work together efficiently and accurately to deliver precise products. Everbond is WA's premier toll blending company and we have received the highest ISO certifications. Our state-of-the-art facilities provide the flexibility to generate custom products from pre-production, small batch testing to larger production contracts. We also have the experience, expertise and equipment to quickly and efficiently package your products and distribute them to your clients. We deliver quality products, exceptional service and have an outstanding track record. Get in contact with our team to find out more.